Here's a picture of my team. As I mentioned, we've got 22 different professionals on our corporate team. Here's a picture of my home team. It's my picture of my wife here, who's in the back in the white dress. I've got 3 daughters. I've been married for 12 years. My daughters are relatively young, so we're always doing fun activities with them and doing outdoor adventure stuff with college and high school friends, etc. We just recently went through the Zion Narrows and camped overnight going down the river there. We also went to the top of the Sisters Mountains in Oregon. Went backpacking there a few weeks ago. There's a picture at the summit there at sunrise, and we made it up there. So we always like to do outdoor fun adventure trips, as many of you do. A little bit more in our company here. We bought billionaires.com last year, and we're exclusively interviewing billionaires and publishing videos, talks only from billionaires on that website. We bought commercialrealestate.com 2 years ago. We've got 238,000 people on our email list, 1.9 million people via social media. Our real estate platform is called investorresidences.com, where we buy short-term rental properties and give people access to using the properties while we try to double their money in that investment. And we've helped set up over 200 family offices the last 15 years. That's usually how we engage with people, is when they've sold their business, they want to formalize or set up their family office. We try to help them do that, and we leverage our platform to source really excellent deal flow for those families. Real quick, we do help set up, structure, negotiate, and source co-GP and joint venture agreements for family offices. At an event 14 months ago, we had a $1 billion plus balance sheet group meet with another member of the investor club, and they just closed a $30 million deal. There was a $10 million equity check just about 3.5 weeks ago, and they met here in the room. We have another group that is a publicly traded entity. They met someone managing 30 million of assets under management here in the room, did 12 deals with them and took them to 140 million of assets under management. We have someone sitting in the back here who I just noticed. They just signed a term sheet for a $100 million line of strategic financing for their lending platform with a $50 million accordion to it. They met that counterparty at our last event here in person. So we have dozens and dozens of deals that get done without me knowing about them, and dozens that we know get done through connections that are either made on accident or, on purpose here through meetings that happen at our event, including seed capital deals, startups, but also fund investments, JV deals, co-GP deals, etc.